Today we're going to show you guys how to do tires with just your simple basic garage things. First, you're going to need ratchet straps. Second, you're going to need is a floor jack. Third thing you're going to need is tire lubricant, or you can use soapy water. But I swear by this. I would prefer to use this, especially for sealant and lubrication. Last but not least, you're going to need your tire bars. I like using a commercial one, even on automotive, and your regular ones, your spoons. So what you're going to want to do, take a ratchet strap, run it across the bottom of your jack, right? You're going to want to go down here, flush that about yay, but make it a little bit back like it is. So that way, when you lower this, after you hook it, so hang on. I'm going to go up and around here, down through here, hook it to this guy, bung, there. Then you're going to take this guy, go through here, like that, bung. Then you're going to do the same thing, bung. And last but not least, when you got it like that, you want to do that. Just give it a few little tight down, nothing crazy. Bung. Make sure, you didn't pull it over the lip. Just slowly lower. Just slowly lower your jack down. Bung. Go up just a tiny bit. Then you're gonna really tighten her down. Then you're going to make sure, boom, bong, look, not touching. Twist it. You're going to want to go slowly up. Oh, it came undone, but hang on. Alright, now that that's slipped, you're going to make sure it's like that, that. Two latches are hooked in the front of there. Slowly go tighten it. Want that jack to stay on the ground as best as it can. And then there it goes. Bong. Beads popped. Just in case, I like to give it a smack all the way around. Unloosen these. Bong. Then there you go, guys. That's how you do a tire with the hand jack and ratchet strap.